Ooh. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Genie's channel and thanks for watching today's video. I've been procrastinating making this video because I received this package for like 2 months now. I received it even before I took my road trip up to New England like 2 months ago. So today I finally find some time to sit down and I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys together because I'm pretty excited about this. I got these from the website fluentpet.com. Those are pretty much buttons that helps to train your pets to talk. There are various companies out there that's making similar buttons, including a pretty popular and cost-efficient one from Amazon.com, which I heard great things about. But I eventually decided to go with Fluent Pet because this brand is partnered with the humans of Bunny, the talking dog. If you don't know Bunny, Bunny is a talking sheepadoodle that has millions of followers across all kinds of platforms, including Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. She is super smart. She can communicate with her humans with those buttons, specifically those ones here, and she knows over like 40 different words. So enough been said, let's find out what's in this box. I got the basic Vocab one, which includes 6 hex tiles and 12 sound buttons. So there's only 12 buttons here. Wow, that's a lot of stuff in there. Here are the buttons itself. The basic Vocab box comes with 12 Fluent Pet sound buttons and 6 Fluent Pet compact hex tiles. This kit lets you create a soundboard with all 6 current hex tile categories in the Fluent Pet system, including actions, objects, places, subjects, social, and descriptors. It is highly customizable with any words or sound you'd like to teach your dog or cat. And they've provided this sheet of stickers here, back and forth. You can also write your own words up there. The buttons and as well as the hex tiles has a very compact design. The button is only 1.9 inch or 4.8 centimeters, which means you can fit more buttons into a smaller space. Each hex tile can hold up to 6 sound buttons. The tile itself is durable and non-slip. It is very compact itself and takes up the minimal space at only 7.9 inches. Every button can fit snugly together in any configuration of your choice. Even though this box only comes with 12 buttons, you can easily expand them by purchasing more buttons individually on their website. Okay, now that we've opened up everything, let me try to set one up. one of those buttons. This is much smaller than I thought. I really like it. So here's the manual, and here's how you set up the sound button, which is right here. Right here. It says remove the plastic tab, which is this one right here. Remove the plastic tab from the battery compartment. So just, oh, all right, I guess here it is. I removed it. And then to record a word, make sure your button is in record mode by sliding the switch on the side of the button to the left. Where's the button? Here it is. It's really small. Here's the button here. Slide it to the left. Oh, here comes Genie. Hi. Yeah, this is for you. All right, let's slide it to the left. And then press and hold the button until it beeps, while continuing to hold the button saying the words to record. Release the button when you're done. Okay, what's the first we want to say? Let's say outside then. Actually, let's do pee-pee. She knows pee-pee. Pee-pee. Is that it? Slide the switch to the right to change to play mode. And then
pee-pee.
Oh wow. All right.
Pee-pee. Pee-pee.
Let's try record another one. Let's try outside, still using the same button. So we know like how to redo it, I guess. So I'll slide it again. Outside. And slide it back.
Outside. Outside.
This is pretty cool. Outside.
Outside. Outside. Outside. Outside.
Genie. Hi. Where's the button? Here's the button. You want to try touch it? Do you want to try touch it? Hi.
Outside.
Good girl. Yes. All right, let's go outside. Go on, let's go outside. You clicked it. Let's go outside.